Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. Today, I will show you how I make an easy, crispy, and delicious herb wings and some homemade coleslaw. Let's get into it. I'm making this meal for 2 people today, my husband and I, so 7 wings each will be plenty. So I start by cutting and cleaning my chicken wings, and usually I do this process with gloves, but I ran out of them, so no gloves it is. I take all the excess fat, separate the wing from the drumstick, and I cut that part, the little small part that it's just bones, and I throw that out. After cleaning and cutting the wings, I transfer them to paper towels and get them nice and dry, like so. Now into a mixing bowl, add some flour, paprika, onion and garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, now mix all together and start tossing your wings into the flour, removing any excess. Set the wings aside, add to a pan some oil, let it warm up, and start frying the wings until golden. I fried the wings for about 4 minutes in each side. Now I'm removing them from the oil and I will let them sit into paper towels. In the meantime, add to a bowl some oil, garlic and onion powder, salt and pepper, and your herbs. I am using scallions, rosemary, sage, and thyme, but you can use any herbs of your liking. Last but not least, the butter. Now mix everything together. Now toss your wings into this herb mix. Place the wings into a baking sheet. And bake at 375 for about 10 minutes. And today I will be serving my wings with my homemade coleslaw, so bring to a mixing bowl mayonnaise, rice vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, sugar, and mix everything well together. And don't worry, I will have the ingredients and the ingredient amount in the description box below for you. Now add some coleslaw medley, carrots, and bacon into a mixing bowl. And yes guys, I add bacon to my slaw because bacon is life. Then just add your coleslaw dressing, mix very well together, and let it cool. And here it is, the wings are done. I will be adding some parsley for some extra flavor. And as you can see, they come out nice and golden and very crispy. Now, if you made this far, make sure to like this video. That helps the channel so much. Leave me a comment and let me know if you enjoyed this wing recipe and share with anyone you know. And here you have it, herbed wings, easy, delicious, and this meal was prepped in under a half an hour. You can't go wrong with that. I am serving this with homemade coleslaw and some Parmesan potato wedges. And that is all for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it. As always, thank you so much for watching. I am so grateful to have you in my kitchen, and I hope to see you on my next video. Ciao!